So today we will start with a new chapter, that is magnetic effect of current. Physics. Okay. Means, so when the current passes through a conductor, the magnetic effect is expected in that. So for that you understand what is called a magnet. First you see what is called a bar magnet. Bar magnet is a rectangular piece, solid piece, which has not two poles, north and south poles. So first point, the bar magnet suspended freely in the air remains horizontal if you hang it. This is thread. Freely suspended magnet remains horizontal in the air, showing north and south pole. Okay, a freely suspended magnet, that is called the direction. So a magnet has two poles, north and south. Okay, the freely suspended magnet in the air shows north and south pole. Direction here, direction. Second, it has two poles. North and south. Okay. The question is, if it has north and south pole, suppose that is a piece of magnet, north and south, we got it from here. So two pieces you got, like this. What will be the condition? That means this is north, is it south? No. Each piece, if you make into different pieces also, each will behave like a magnet, showing north and south. So if a magnet is cut into number of pieces, each piece behaves like a magnet, showing north and south pole. What is the reason behind this? Because there are number of molecules in this. Each molecule behaves like a magnet. Okay. So molecules, when they are arranged in the straight alignment order, then each behaves like north south, north south, north south. So there are number of molecules also here. They will be divided. So each will behave like north and south. So if you cut into number of pieces, still each will behave like a magnet, that is north and south pole. That means poles exist pairly, not separately. You can write poles of the magnet exist pairly, north and south. This is the point. First point you got is magnet has two poles. So then a freely suspended magnet remains horizontal, showing north and south pole direction. Then poles of the magnet cannot be separated. It always remains with pair, north and south, north south, like that. So why a freely suspended magnet shows north south direction? Why not other direction? That could be a question. Why does a freely suspended magnet shows only north and south pole? Reason is what? Suppose this is the earth. If you suspend a magnet here, this shows north, this is south. But earth also has a magnet. This earth also has a, earth behaves like a magnet here. Okay. Then what happens here? Why it is north south? Now there is a attraction between unlike poles. That means earth is a magnet which has south here, north pole here, ulta, so that they attract each other. Whenever anything is suspended freely, behaves like north south, no other direction. So because earth is a magnet, earth has a magnet in the geographical south north direction. So since unlike poles means south and north attract each other, so the suspended magnet remains north south. The suspended magnet remains north south. Okay. Then what are the properties of a magnet? Properties of magnet. First, like poles, each magnet has two poles, north and south. Then you can write like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. Means north will attract south. That means if there is a magnet here, this is north south. If you bring another magnet here, this is south north, then it became like pole. Like pole means this will get deflected like this. This will be like this. It will move like this. Means repel. Then if you have north south, bring another magnet, then unlike pole, they will attract each other. They attract each other. So when like pole, they will repel each other. So these are the like poles repel each other, unlike poles attract each other. Okay, 2 points you got on this. Okay, now the question is uses of magnet. Where are you going to use it? Then comes up uses of magnet. Used in, where are you using it? Radio and television. Radio, television. Used in refrigerators. Refrigerators, to close the door. Where again you are used in audio video tapes. Audio and video cassettes. Okay, the important one is used in MRI scanners to see the internal parts of human body. You might have heard, whenever a person suffers from some severe diseases, the doctor suggests go for MRI scanners. What is MRI? What is that? Write down. That is called magnetic MRI means magnetic resonance magnetic resonance image. MRI scanner, if you write magnetic resonance imaging scanner. Okay. The details we will study in the higher class how it is done. And now the question comes of magnetic field of lines. Magnetic field of lines. Means if there is a magnet, so there is a place where you will have more attraction, where you will have less attraction. Suppose you bring any object closer to this, far away from this, then more the attraction you will feel near the point, near the magnet, then less the magnetic effect you will have when the object is far away from here. Suppose this is a magnet, you have brought here iron bar, so more attraction you will see when it is closer to this, then less attraction you will see when it is away from this. That means there is a region where the magnetic strength is felt, so that region is called magnetic field of lines. You can see here the lines or the region or you can the lines where the magnetic strength is felt. Okay, so what does it mean? Try to understand. That means if there is a piece of bar magnet, observe it carefully. You see this is north pole, this is south pole. Some lines will come like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Direction I am showing you here. Direction means it starts from north pole, goes up to south pole. Starts from north pole, goes up to south pole. Start from north pole, goes up to south pole. Starts from north pole, goes up to south pole, like this. Okay, that means starts from here. You can show it is starting like this. Enters to south, enters to south, enters to south. These are called magnetic field of lines. This is magnetic field of lines. So magnetic field of lines, you can see here, starts from north pole, ends at south pole. So there could be many number of lines like this. Okay, starts from north pole, ends at south pole. So when the lines are more closer, this region strength is more. Strength is more. This magnetic field of lines heading, if I make here, magnetic field of lines, I told you the region where the magnetic effect is felt. The magnetic field of lines, these lines which makes a region, the lines makes the region is called the magnetic region. Okay, starts from north pole, ends at south pole. First point, starts from north pole, ends at south pole. First point, starts at north pole, ends at south pole. The strength is more. Second point, the magnetic strength is more where the lines are closer. That means this region lines are closer, Here the magnetic strength is more. That means magnetic strength is more near the poles, and that means if you bring any object here, it will be very soon attracted or repelled. Strength is more, but the same object you bring here, it will be less effectively have here. More effectively have here. Because when the lines are closer, magnetic effect is more, and the lines are far away, the magnetic effect is less. This is a point now. Okay. Now why the magnetic lines? You have to show one activity. The magnetic field of line starts from North Pole and ends at South Pole. One activity we have to make here. How to make? You can make it home. Let's write down. Activity to show the magnetic field of lines. Magnetic field of lines starts from North Pole and ends at South Pole, or S pole you can write. What activity you have to show? So it's like this. Bring a bar magnet. Okay, means you brought a bar magnet here. Second, bring a magnetic compass. Magnetic compass, what it does, shows north south pole, it shows. Okay, now if this is north pole, this is south pole, then if you bring a magnetic compass near to North Pole, of bar magnet, that means what will happen? Magnetic compass is like this. So south pole will be showing this direction, north pole will be here. Okay, take out the compass. So 2 points you mark, point here, point here. Mark the point, mark the points. 2 points you made, 1 and 2. When you take out it is now like this. This is north pole, this is south pole. 1 point you got here, 1 point you got here. Which point you got? South pole you got here, north pole you got here. South pole, north pole. South pole, north pole. Okay, then what you will do is, let me write down here. Lift the magnetic compass and place it at the north pole of North Pole point. North Pole point of previous compass. So that means you place here, then you what you get? You get here another magnet that is showing This will be south, this will be north. Okay, place another again, then you will find south north. Another one, north south, like this. So if you place the magnets like this, then you will find points like this. Look at points are created. So when you join it, they form the magnetic field of lines. So when you join them, you can write continue the process till the south pole and leave the compass, join the points. Continue the process till the south pole of bar magnet. Take out the compass and join the points. Okay, so this shows you magnetic field of line starts from north pole, goes in the direction of south. Okay, this shows magnetic field of lines starts at north pole and ends at south pole. Okay, this is one magnetic line you got. Similarly, if you start placing magnet here like this, means you will get another magnetic field of lines like this. If you go in this way also, you will get another magnetic field of lines like this. Okay, so using these compasses, you can show that magnetic field of lines starts from north pole and ends at south pole. Okay, then comes up you just I told you, then magnetic effect when a current passes through a conductor. Okay, now one point now you will start remembering. Magnetic field of lines always starts from north and ends at south. So now magnetic effect when magnetic effect of current. That means when a conductor is carrying current, there can be magnetic effect. How to know? Take a piece of cardboard. Okay, try to understand this. You have taken a piece of cardboard. Now what you will do is, this is important now. Further point you will understand. You are passing a conductor to this. Okay, conductor has to be connected to cells. Okay, how to conduct? I'll show you in the diagram. So what I do is, I take cells. I have taken potential difference. Then I have taken rheostat. Rheostat means this controls the resistance box. Rheostat is like this. Rheostat, that if you symbol is like this, that means you take out the resistance, put more or less, it will control the flow of current. On the path you fix one ampere. Ammeter will measure the current, how much current is going. Then that is connected to this piece of wire. What is this? The wire has passed like this. Okay, the wire has passed like this. Then again it is connected to the negative end. If you want to put, you can put a key here. Choice is yours. You can put a key here. Key. Rheostat controls the current. Voltage on the battery are given here. Ammeter is the instrument used to measure the current, how much current is flowing. The current flows from positive direction to negative direction. That means what is the flow of current here? In this direction. Okay. So what you do is, when you place the needle here, magnetic needle, I told you, magnetic compass, then you will see magnetic compass when the current flows. So you will see that circles will be formed. Circles will be formed. How it will be formed here? That is showing north-south direction. Okay, it will show you north-south direction. That means if you place this, will show you north, this will show you south. So like this, if you place the magnetic needle, will show you north. That means what did you get? You are getting circles in this direction. Which direction you are getting? Okay, so what did you find there? To understand that, I'll tell you how to know here. If I have a pen, I could have shown you. Okay, I'll try to show this one. The rule is like this, you have to remember, hold the wire like this. That is called Maxwell thumb rule. Hold the wire like this. If the thumb is the direction of current, the call of the finger you see here, call of the finger is like this. Okay, that is north to south. Now if I do like this, then this will be north to south, north to south. So this will be north to south. Okay, north to south. So north to south means, because we have known that magnetic field of lines are always from north to south. So when you hold it like this, if this is the direction of current, your curling is like this. Curling is like this means north to south, north to south. Okay, so what you will write here? What are the instruments you have taken? That you have taken an ammeter, you have taken a key, you have taken a rheostat, V, the battery or the potential difference, a conductor. Okay, so you can write 2 points on this. What are that? Take a cardboard take a cardboard, pass a conductor through which the current can pass, which is connected to what? Battery. That is potential V. Ammeter, that is a rheostat, that is resistance, and a key. Okay, this is the connection I made. Then pass 2 to 3 amperes of current to this. Pass 2 to 3 amperes of current into it. Means how 2 to 3? This rheostat box, which will control the, you need to, how much current you want to supply, it depends upon this resistance box. Okay, so when you pass 2 to 3 amperes of current through this, place the magnetic compass on the paper. They will be arranged in a circle. They will be arranged in a circle showing north-south direction. Okay, so you find the circles are made like this around the conductor. So when magnetic field of lines are there, that shows the strength of the magnet. That means conductor behaves like a magnet which can form the magnetic field of lines. This shows conductor has magnetic strength around it in the form of circles, which shows magnetic field of lines, which is called magnetic field of lines, which is called magnetic field of lines. That's now you understood that if you pass a current in a conductor, it will behave like a magnet. We just discussed about one point on this. Around this, if you put the needles, it will form the circles like this. The which direction? In this direction. So if you reverse the current, the direction will be opposite. So 2 points you can write. If the strength of the current is So if the current flows is more, if the current flows in the conductor is more, then the strength of the field is more. Then the strength of the field is more. Means if you pass 4 to 5 amperes of current, then strength around this will be more. Means any object you bring nearby this will be attracted more and more. Okay. Then the magnetic strength is more closer to any point on the conductor. So that is another point to understand. First you understood, if there is a conductor, if this is a point, the strength nearby this is more, strength away from this is less. This is more strength. Then if you take a point here far away from the conductor, here it is more strength, here it is less strength. So two things to remember. Current flows this, in this conductor is more, strength of the field is more. Means it has the more capacity to attract. Second, then you can write another point. The strength of magnetic field is more nearer to the conductor. Strength of the magnetic field is more nearer to the conductor. Means here the magnetic field is more. If you go away from here, the magnetic field will be less. So more question we will be discussing tomorrow.